Everyone talks about ChatGPT, but so many people still ask, how do I actually get it? Today, I'm going to show you 3 practical ways to access ChatGPT from mobile phone, from desktop, or even from your home screen. By the end of this video, you will use ChatGPT like you've done it so many times before, so watch until the end. The easiest way to start on the desktop, just go to the chat.openai.com. You can use any browser like Safari or Google Chrome. After the website opens, you'll see a pop-up window where you can choose to either log in or sign up. If this is your first time using ChatGPT, click Sign Up. Here you can choose your preferred sign-up method. You can use your Google, Apple or Microsoft account, a phone number or just an email. I'm selecting my Google account, and once I log in, I'm taken to the main ChatGPT page where I can enter my query. For example, I'll type this query: write a response to email with the job offer, and I can even provide an email to get the better response. If you prefer using AI on the go, there is a free mobile app. Just go to App Store and type ChatGPT. Yes, this is a real official app, no copies, and download it. Moreover, you can use ChatGPT in different places, like, for example, you use it on the desktop with your account, then you sign in with your account to your mobile and you see all your chats again. So you can start using on mobile phone in the app, then go to the desktop and then keep using again in the mobile app. That's very convenient. Okay, now here's a bonus tip most people don't know. You can add ChatGPT widget right to your home screen. Just long tap anywhere on your screen, then tap plus sign in the corner and add ChatGPT widget. Now it's just one tap away. You can start the chat instantly. No need to go to the app. If you're on Android, you can do the same thing. Hold your screen, choose widgets and find ChatGPT. I use it all the time. So now you know all 3 ways to access ChatGPT from your mobile phone, from computer, and even from your home screen. Start with whatever is easiest and you'll see how much faster and easier your day has become. And remember, it's not about being a tech expert, it's about staying ahead in the world that's changing very fast. If it was helpful, like, subscribe and check my other videos, and I'll show you how to use AI tools that will actually make your life easier.